Today, 25th of July 2025, this is what we are saying in Obinetiti. Obinetiti around Izuogu. This is what Nigerian soldiers did to this house. They said that the unknown gunmen are living in this house. This is how they have been burning people's house, claiming that they are chasing unknown gunmen. Meanwhile, there is no unknown gunmen here. Nothing like unknown gunmen. They all know where the unknown gunmen are living. They know where the Biafran army are living. They know where they are staying. But they will not go there. Rather, they will just come and be destroying people's property. You can imagine.
Hello my fans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Biafrans, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 26th of July 2025, we are live and direct in Biafran land. We are giving you this information, although the information is a tragic one. It is a sad information because Izuogu is boiling. Precisely Obinetiti is boiling, with other Aziks of Okigwe, they are boiling. Because of what? Because the Musa and the Asari guys went down to that village in search of Deahu and the Biafra Liberation Army. They went down there and they started shooting. They started shooting unprovokedly. They buy a lot of people there. Anyone they see on sight, they will just buy that person and they burnt people's houses, claiming that those houses is where the Biafra Liberation Army are hiding. But according to this man here in this video, who happens to be native of this Obinetiti, the man said that the Biafra Liberation Army is not in any way close to that house, that they don't live in this house, that the Musa guys who set this house on fire know where the Biafra Liberation Army are staying, that they ought to go there and leave them alone. We keep asking this question. Keriye kpatara na nda gasị no ndị Biafra Liberation Army ka ha na-achọga. And ha maside ebe ha nọ gasị n'ime ọfịa. Ha ga na ebe ahụ ga nuso ha ọgụ. Because some of all these Asari guys bụ ndị decamped from Biafra Liberation Army. That is ndị tekiri amnesty from the governor of Imo State. They took amnesty and the governor of Imo State converted them into a bago. They joined the Asari boys. So they already knew where their camp is and how the Biafra Liberation Army guys are operating. But they will not go to that camp to fight them. Rather, they will enter into the village and started intimidating the villagers. Because according to them, the villagers are supposed to be their informats. The villagers are supposed to be telling them the movement of these Biafra Liberation Army guys. But maybe the villagers are not cooperating because everybody wants to mind his or her business. Now, look at the retaliation. The Musa guys, you just enter the village and start buying anyone they see on sight. For how long will this thing continue in Imo State? The governor of Imo State, for how long will this thing continue? How many months now is remaining for you to finish your second tenure? Is this the way you will just finish your second tenure in Imo State? Imo State that happens to be a peaceful and a loving state before. Look at all the buying everywhere in Imo State. So guys, this is a voice message from Deahu. Deahu is very, very annoyed with what is happening in Imo State and the Izuogu precisely. So Deahu gave this warning to all the sponsors of Musa guys and Asari guys, bringing them down to Izuogu. Here, Deahu, the warning he gave to them.
Papa nam, papa gadram, dalurian nam abroad. We don't can nam drage. Papa malake ke where this my voice. Chorom we barem voice I make a voice I wrote mo as a cosman onte. Make a voice I wrote mo zuma sente. Make a voice I wrote mundi lord laka. Ndalila la fund no security zog. maka na onye ji aka mee onwe ya asịkwala na mmadụ mere ya. Si ise Okiso ji nwa ya jụọrọ nwa onwe ya amụ oyi. Enwe onye chụrụ Okiso, enwe onye chụrụ Uche, enwe onye chụrụ any one of them. Ọkwa Izuogu ji nwa ya dị nwa calm. Mana na adịkwa m very much happy. Unu awụ Izuogu wụ ndị ọgọ mụ ndị ọgọ gentle. Ịdị min wee la ga-akpapụ abụla abụ acha ha acha. La ga-akpapụ aṅụ n'ọrụ onwe ya. Anọkwara m onwe m kịta. Unu emekwala mitin na ịbịa dotere m ndị amị Obinetiti. Asịkwa m na ewetarala m amị Obinetiti. Wetakwa na amị Obinetiti kama ọwa ike dịkwa unu kechikwe na akwali ume kechikwe na ike la nke ikpeazụ a. Na nke ikpeazụ a onye ọla kechikwe akwa ya ike. Onye ebekwele. Maka na ọ bịara igbu mgbu onwe ya abụọkwa ajọ ọgụ. Ọ bịara igbu mgbu onwe ya abụọkwa ajọ ọgụ. Let Biafrans hear my voice. Let Biafrans hear my voice. We are only fighting for our freedom and the freedom of our people. We are only defending the motherland for the enemies not to enter. Onye ọlọsọkwara ya le-use gị DOS le-use unu ihe a. Onye ọwụla ọsọkwara ya le-use unu ihe a through DSS. DOS to DSS. Onye ọla le-use unu Izuogu ihe a. Hey, jụkwa na-ese ọgụ a Britain lụrụ ha alụnwụ gị. Ọgụ a France lụrụ ha alụnwụ gị. Ọgụ a all these Arabic nation, Arabic countries usually Nigeria, Nigeria. Ha emenwu ihe nọ n'ime ya. Now, a Fulani man agwala unu okwu sị, it is only Igbo to Igbo that can conquer Igbo. There's no any tribe that can fight Igbo and win Igbos except you use Igbo to Igbo. And this is what is happening now. This time around, I want time Ojukwu lụrụ ọgụ Biafra. Ọwala agbago la akụ egwu ala azara okwu egwu ahụ. I know the reason why Juela agwụ n'okwu a. And here ga my last voice. Unu ga-nweta again. Enwere ike next one unu ya afụ m ya on net. Mana ka m gwa ya unu agwa na ọja ntụle ekwu okwu a. Ọgọ bụ ikwu atọ nke mmadụ. Agọrọ m ọgọ la ndị Izuogu. Alụrụ m nwaanyị la ndị Izuogu. Alụrụ ụmụnne m la ndị Izuogu. Ama m Juela ekwu okwu a. Let the world hear this my voice. Let the people hear my voice. Maka mgbe ọ yere ji, maka unu nwa were amị. Kpọrọ amị kpọtara m Obinetiti. Unu ga-anụkwa ya in another way around. And tell unu chue na unu ya nagide ya like that. Maka na agwara m ga-agwa na aka ya ma agwa ga-agwa bụ ọkwa otu. Agwara m unu ya agwa o. Udo nke nna m dekwara unu daalụkwa n'Orienna.
And Jacob is not happy at all with what is happening in Izuogu precisely. How people are being buyed like chicken. And Jacob is also lamenting and calling on the people of Izuogu to be vigilant, to always stay on alert, because the enemy is within.
Biafrans, this information is a sad one, and I want the consensus people to look the continuous assassination, killing, gruesome murder of Hope Posodema against Biafrans. I am here to report to you what actually happens today, being the 24th of July 2025, that Fulani, look at, I will show you a video over what Fulani have done. And this is what Hope Posodema has been trying in all these years to make sure that the Fulani infiltrated into the communities of Biafrans, killing Biafrans. This is what happens in Okigwe State. How Okiso Fire and the Uchenna Okeke of Ebubago terrorizing the axis of Izuogu. Look at what they committed. The Asari boys, the Musa boys, they invaded Izuogu community in Okigwe State, killing innocent Biafrans, It is time for Biafrans to understand that the sponsors of this insecurity, of this gruesome murder, is Obiekunye, Mazi Obiekunye of Izuogu Ochuno, Mazi Zumes of Izuogu Ochuno, Eze Ndiawa, Eze Kosman, the Izuogu politicians who are supporting criminality, who are supporting kidnappers, who are kidnapping Biafrans. And it is time for Okiso to be held accountable. And Biafrans must understand that it is only Biafra Liberation Army that can protect Biafrans. Fulani herdsmen, according to directive of DSS and Hoposodema, they have been directed to invade Biafrans communities to kill. Child, it is a bad one. Very, very bad one.
Trust this easy. The woman to here now. Hey! The woman to here. Oh, happy to him. A pay. One person was killed here in this shop. How about you in that shop? So, then with the shop of him. Run. Hey, come on. Yeah. Run. When I na-ekwu okwu ya, ka hụrụ that thing na-ekwu okwu. See that thing where they talk about it. Same here now, I don't come out now. They try to talk the truth. They try to tell the people waiting the sub. They don't they call me thief. They don't they call me robbing gang. They don't they call me all sort of name. They don't they talk say I do this one, I do this one. They don't they talk where I know this and where I did. People want to know where I did. We want to know where I did. We know fit to know where I did. So anything we wanna want to, me wanna talk. Anything we wanna like, me wanna talk. Wetin I know say me in a Biafran soldier. I know they do nonsense. I know they take person thing.
So guys, you can see this ex-Nigerian military man. He is still saying nothing but the gospel truth. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu need to be released. Let them release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because if government is not benefiting from all this insecurity, I can't see the reason why they refuse to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because once Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is out from detention, guys, all this insecurity will come down to 10%. I'm telling you. It will not stop immediately, but at least it will reduce down to 10%, and that 10% is manageable, because we can be able to fish out who is working against Biafra or who is working for Biafra. So this is exactly what this military man is saying. I believe he's saying nothing but the gospel truth, but the question is that with the authority that is benefiting from all this insecurity, will they agree? Will they listen to him?
All right. My message to Bola Ahmed Tinubu and my message to CDS. My message to Chief of Army Staff. If you not get him, pull for the detention, unlawful detention of Una de Kanu, make una come on hand. The Inspector General of Police, if you get hand, pull for the detention, unlawful detention of Una de Kanu, come on hand. Marshal, if you get hand, pull for the detention of Nnamdi Kanu remove your hand. Never, Chief of Naval Staff, if you get hand, put for the detention of Nnamdi Kanu, remove hand. The reason why they called una house make una remove hand, make una release Nnamdi Kanu. The life of security, the life of non-commissioned soldier, police, when they don't go in the issue of Biafra from east, it don't too much. They don't slaughter a lot life of soldiers. They have killed a lot of soldiers, buried them in a shallow grave, eat some. They have killed a lot of police, mobile police. Atura, they have killed a lot of security in the north, all in the name of Biafra. I am not supporting them of their killing, but in other hand, they have the reason of killing. One, they detain Nnamdi Kanu unlawfully with the help of the government of Kenya. That one, the destination they their hand, and they now find that they are not terrorists. Nnamdi Kanu is not a leader of any terrorist, but Nnamdi Kanu is being detained unlawfully. Why the leaders of Boko Haram and Izuogu, the leaders of Fulani herdsmen, the leaders of Fulani herdsmen are there. The leaders of bandits, they are there. Nobody arrests them. But come to Nnamdi Kanu issue. Nnamdi Kanu was being arrested, detained unlawfully because he stand to gain his own country. He stand for the truth. He stand that the Fulani people, they are trying to take over the country, to change the country to a Islamic country as a plan. Because of that, they hold him. That is because he wanted to get a country. Who is him to say he want to get a country? Why the leaders of terrorists, they are moving freely, they are even escorting them with social security again. I'm sending this message to those people that I just called. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, remove hand. Release Nnamdi Kanu, because the people when those guys they kill for the east, not be your family member, not be your son, not be Sheyi that they kill. Chief of Defense Staff, not be your pikin that they kill.
Normal. Joy supermarket. Iseke learning the shop nwunye ebule. The shop ebule ha anyị na-abịa agwụ isi egwu wasinga. Timba Kaliba yoku money. Ori ego luke ego ha. Ugogbuzu ọchake. Lele nga ha anyị na-abịa agwụ isi egwu. Nwaanyị mmadụ alakpuo village jela akpagharị. Ya shop nwunye ebule. Igwe Mekato. Wasinga. Gribati Okonkwo. Anyị si nnele n'ebe anyị a na-eme abịa mensi adaka ole eri tọrị na-aṅụ tọrị nwanne afọ nwanne ya na ele enwere joy ọhamadike lele nínú chọp nwunye ebule skabado Fedland lele chọp nwanne ụnụ nwaanyị lele ka everywhere dị everywhere mere ntechi nwaanyị mmadụ alakpụ ime village lakpagharị lata afụfụ mana o nwere ife ọ na-eme asị ala azụrụ anyị Biafra big man sirila nọ n'Iseke lee na ebe anyị na-abịa eri nkwụ ebe a niile eme eribe jichi iji ọka nwambala efe abịa tiere anyị egwu ọla ada ka anyị jebara nke egwule ka a ga ejebe ala aracha aka ka a gwọọ ụgba gwọọ isi egwu ka a taa lukat everywhere mebisiela igwe Iseke lele n'ibe anyị nna anyị igwe honorable Eluka ọha lele.
Guys, look at the state of Iseke. Iseke is a bordering village with Imo State, that is with Orlu. So Iseke is an Anambra state, but it has a border with Orlu, that is our Idemmiri and the rest of them. So look at the state of Iseke since all these things has been happening. So many people have run away from Iseke. When will all these things come to an end? Let us love ourselves back again. Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Please remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Dix TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.
10 towns, including Ebonesi and some other towns outside Anambra, like Obolo, Nempi, Amago, and the host of others, Amoma. These are their their what do I call it, auxiliary market. Look at it. One for Iseke normal. Oh yeah, the ha. Learn ya see na window, you know, one for Iseke market. Learn ya and then I do more azuzukwa. Obodo asla ndị madrile bụ member ha na-eme. Learn ha ncha hala ha gbafusie. How can all of them be a member and they run away and leave their town like this? Learn one for you to life. Una amazukwa ebe dị ife a. Learn one for Iseke market. Learn one for Iseke market. Learn ya kunu kirie. Oh ya maka ji na asị na ọ dị mkpa ka gọvanọ bịa ka ọfụ ore anyị afụ. Ya ka na ayọrọ nwa anyị nwoke bụ SSA. Ọ na-agbakwa mbọ n'ihe a na-eme na security na Anambra State bụ Prince Emeka. Yọtara anyị gọvanọ. This is your local government too. Ọ ya maka ji na-ayọ ụmụnna anyị ndị nọ n'ọchịchị ndị nwere ike ịgwanwe gọvanọ okwu. Let him come and see the extent of the damage in Iseke. Enwere Orlu in Iseke. The first thing is to make sure that the insurgents, they are out of here and a bid Orlu in Iseke. Aka government gatherer. The damages are too much for the community to bear. Aka government gatherer. If I abro if obodo jeno mara ka ndo siri mejeno men ko no cry your own cry. Government must be here. Government must be here in reconciliation, in reconstruction, and every other thing. Learn our Iseke market. Learn euro here on the road. Ka gaba ala. Nka we ba we ma here on na fulenia. Yoruba halenia igwe Emosakwe road. Aka wola. Wamba afa yo ka ajide bia. Olu atu egwu nke izizi. Lekwa ebe olu kposara Iseke. Lekwa olu afọ onye na-edu elekwa olu. Ị ga-afụ na Iseke zagharị afọ onye isi. Anyị na-eche gị biko.